Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel. Today I will make Italian meatballs with ricotta cheese that are very delicious and highly nutritious as well. Also, ricotta cheese will make them softer and lighter in texture. I will show you a couple of different ways of finishing them before serving, so watch it till the end and do not forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button to show some love and support. I really do appreciate all that. I started with chopping and frying some sweet onion as well as 2 cloves of minced or grated garlic. You can use more of these veggies if you wish. I added a dash of cumin powder, coriander, and some dry oregano. I like my onion and garlic well caramelized, but some may prefer to use freshly chopped instead. It's really up to you. At this time, I set to boil some potatoes and carrots so I can mash them when they're done. The first choice of meat would be the beef, but it can be substituted with any other meat, and today I have a ground chicken turkey mix. Also, if you don't have ricotta, you can use any other soft cheese of your choice like cottage or farmer's cheese. In my case today will be soft goat cheese. To about 500 grams of ground meat, I added fried onion, salt and pepper, some chopped parsley, thyme and rosemary, then 1 whole egg and about 200 grams of ricotta or any other soft cheese, and mixed everything with just a hand. I used some olive oil to grease the hands and form the balls of desired size. I had a bit less meat and cheese here, so your batch should be bigger than mine. You can fry the meatballs in the frying pan, but I prefer the oven this time. Set it to 180 degrees Celsius or about 360 degrees Fahrenheit and roasted them for 20 to 25 minutes. If your oven has a fan function, use it to roast the meatballs evenly all around. Meanwhile, added some butter and milk the still warm potatoes and carrots and mash them well. Sometimes I like plain mashed potatoes, and sometimes for the variety I add carrots, sweet potatoes or pumpkin. Now let's make some delicious gravy. I heated up some butter, then added turmeric powder, but this is optional and you can add any other of your favorite spices or just some salt and pepper. Then a couple of teaspoons of all-purpose white flour and mixed it well until no lumps are visible. Then you can add water or milk or even cream if you want your gravy to be thicker. Another option would be water with tomato paste to make a red marinara sauce. In my case, it's simple water-based gravy with turmeric and parsley. Regulate the thickness by adding more liquid. Salt and pepper, some smoked paprika. You can use sweet or hot paprika, then freshly chopped parsley or cilantro or both, and that is my gravy. Meatballs should be ready by now, and no further comments. Another way to finish making the meatballs is to simmer them in the frying dish with a lot of gravy. This way, they will end up being even softer and soaked in all that deliciousness. I pre-roasted the meatballs in the oven for 20 minutes to practically well done. Then I melted 50 grams of butter, added about 3 teaspoons of flour, and this time I prepared 250 milliliters or 1 cup of chicken base. The amount of liquid can differ depending on how much and how thick you want your gravy to be, so feel free to experiment and find your own proportions. I plunged the pre-roasted meatballs into the gravy, then added a few dashes of black pepper, no salt as the chicken base is salty enough, some chopped parsley, and covered to simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. And this is it, my friends. Please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet for more delicious recipes. Eat healthy, stay happy, cook your own food, and I will see you soon in the next video.